All right, today I'm checking out Scream Frogs. I'm listening to Slime World Redux. Let's get into it. Okay, I guess we're taking the natural pause point. What are these guys talking about? No clue. Doesn't matter. Song's banging. Song's banging. The vocals are kind of banging too. He's like, and the music, it's got a lot of energy. Dang, I feel so simple sometimes. That's why I'm yelling and talking. It's because of the energy of the song. Songs really do just move me. I notice that I talk faster and stuff when I get hyped, or I start talking really loud when the song hypes me up. If the song's all smooth, then I talk all smooth and quiet and whatnot. What am I even other than just a vessel for music to just flow through me and change my feelings? Like it's some kind of drug or something. Anyway, trying to be an adult, I don't have to be hyped just because the song is hyped. But anyway, that's what it is. It's a lot of energy. The energy is there, a lot of energy on this one. Even when they switched gears and got like a little bit slower kind of sound and whatnot, I don't know. I didn't feel moved slow. I felt like I was still riding high. I was still riding high off the bangerness, and they'll probably be back at banger before you know it. That was quick.
Discover new music at listener.
That felt very fast, honestly. Not even super fast, like crazy fast, like the tempo of the song. I mean like 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Felt like about like 29 seconds or so. I feel like the song just started and now it's over. And it's like, what? Maybe that happens when I don't focus on the lyrics. And I don't know, man. That kind of collapsed time on me. And then here I am now at the end of the song. I'm supposed to have something to say, but I feel like I just started the song. It's weird. It's very weird. But yeah, like I said, even when that song got slower until like the very end when they went ultra slow mode. Then okay, that's a little bit slower. But I felt like the second half of the song, it was a little bit more vibey. It was still banging though. It was still banging. Right when I unpaused it, it was still like, it was hyperactive, boom. But then when he was singing that last verse, that felt like it wasn't as intense as the other parts, but the intensity was still there. It's like, if this song, where would you put this on a scale of 1 to 10? For it being, let's say the most intense part of the song is a 10, the lesser intense parts, aside from the super slow-mo, were still like a 9. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you feel that one. You feel that song.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. Who to go? She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.